Alright guys, this video will be about HLS4ML and integrating with Vivara environment and running, a machine learning architecture model, which is shown right here. This is one of the examples, it's straightforward. So this video will be mainly about compiling, installation, fixing the Conda versions and all, and running the environment.yml file and running this particular example, synthesizing, making sure we're able to uh, run the example successfully. So that's the main um, aim for this video. So this is where we have, this is one of the uh, directory that I've installed, downloaded the clone uh, files, and as you can see, I'm able to run each and every block right here. Um, we're gonna go in details later on. This is just for, as I said, just to make sure it works, it runs smoothly. Yeah, so we're able to get the model, then predict, and then we're able to synthesize. This is the log file synthesis. Yeah, and this is the resources, and enter the report. Yeah, and once we run this, there will be a folder, my project, um, right here. Not this one. Yep. Then solution. If you go to implementation, Verilog. This is where all the Verilog file has been generated. Yep. So it's very readable, I would say. It's using API interface. And we have the softmax over here, and the weights has been stored, and it's reading out from this file right here, and it's stored in the VRAM for sure. Likewise, we have everything here generated. So HLS from Python, it generates the C++, and then it generates the Verilog in the simulation environment as well, which is very important, right? So yeah, let's focus. Let's come back to what we need to do is okay. So let's be let me. I've made a video about installation of Conda earlier. So okay, Conda. Let me deactivate first. In fact, let me. Okay. Yep. So this is 24.9. This is the latest installation, which is installed at. Okay, in this location I've installed here, but the Conda that I installed earlier was um, okay. Wait, most probably I'm gonna need to open a new terminal because I've already loaded the bash RC file. Um, what is that? Mm, 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 okay. Yeah, I think I have it here. Wait. So this is the code which initialize the new Conda. If I remove this, okay, let's remove. No, I don't want to remove it. Let it be. So what I'm trying to say is, um, this one. Yeah, here it is. Yep. So this is the one that we have right now. Like 24.9 point. This is the latest, and this was the one that we installed earlier, right? So which was using this command right here. The yum install. So this was the command, right? Uh, and when you run this, it installs this particular version, and the old version has lots of issues solving the environment stuff. So we don't want that. So this was the video which I was talking about. Yep. Yep. So this we can disregard this. Cool. Okay. So I'm gonna create all the place of the command right here so that I can put it in the description. So first, what I'm gonna do is let me remove yum. Before that, um, so hmm, uh, okay, this is another issue. I installed intermediate versions in this location as well, so don't need to care about this. But yeah, I think I just need to delete this particular folder. Uh, that's all. Hmm. Okay, it's in home directory, right? So let's start from here. And this is the version which we're interested. Um, and rm. Let me remove this. Okay, cool. This was inside the root, so I'm going to remove this by this command. And even if I want to, here Conda is still available. Yeah. Now if I want to remove it, I'm gonna have to type. Let me do something. Okay. Anyway, um, going to close all the tabs. Okay, we're done removing. So we soon get, yeah, no Conda anymore. Okay, so I've removed everything, and let me rename this HLS4ML as well to some other. I don't want to delete the folder, working folder right now. So HLS tutorial S PK. Okay, cool. Yep. Yeah, so we have all the files here. Cool. So, all right, let's start from installing Conda, right? Okay, open. Since I've renamed already, save as. Okay. Anyway, um, cthls backup. So, come on. All right. So here is the file. I don't need this anymore. Yep. So we've removed everything, right? I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the terminal, and I'm in the home directory right now. I'm gonna open a browser. Cool, here it is. Okay, let's install Conda first. Conda install. Cool. Installation in Linux. Yep. So if you want x86, Yeah, so this is one of the issue that I found earlier. Conda build version was not available here. If you install using mconda install and the version is way too old, um, here the build is available. Yep. So this is another things that I observed. Here's the link. While it's downloading, let's go to this link. No, you don't want to follow this. This is the intermediate Conda which I was talking about. It's 2018, right? Yeah, we want 24. Yeah, this is 24, and yeah, all right. So this is the one that I was trying to search. Yeah, we already downloaded the assets file. Yeah, so this is the link. Let me copy this and paste it right here. All right. A new terminal. So first of all, yeah, let me copy these commands. Um, then go to super user, paste the command. This is for Debian. Yep, so I've already installed all of them, these packages. That's the first thing. Second, I'm going to download the same command and right here. Okay, so let me rename this 24 to 24. CPU. Okay, cool. And now I'm going to paste the command. So it was around 1 GB. Um, I already downloaded it. It should be here in the download. This one right here. It was 1 GB around 1.1, right? Anyway, so we are already downloading. Let's download this. 1 minute, 3 seconds. Meanwhile, let me paste the command. Copy. Paste right here. To go to super user. Let's say cd to home first. Okay. Alright, cool. Yeah, it's done. Downloading done. So you can verify the file using SSA, um, something like this. There should be a particular RSA or SSA number key. Uh, let's check 2024.6. Yep, 3BD8 starts with 3BD8. Anyway, it's gonna be the same for sure. We're gonna continue bass, and I won't be here. Uh, bass 24. Press enter. Keep pressing enter. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna exit because I don't want to install any root. For the SDs. Okay. Yes. Yep. So it's my home directory and I'm going to 3. Cool. Enter. Okay. Meanwhile, do this. Exit from user. After loading. Can okay. So we are here. Cool. Um, okay. Cool. We're good. Um, What was the command? Let me paste this. Okay, and then this right here. Yep. Now we are done installing Conda. Dot. We are in the home directory. Now let's clone the HLS4ML. HLS4ML. Okay, done. Now we need to, before we used to have lots of error. Now since we have the Conda latest version, running environment YAML file should be fine. So this was one of the things that we tried earlier, and there was an issue because of the versions. The Conda is not the latest one, so we tried to install separately as well. Some of them were able to install, but not all, and it was taking lots of time while setting up the environment. So now it should install smoothly. Let's see. Um, okay, we'll come back to this later on. Let's copy this. Cool. We do already have these packages, but yeah, anyway, let's still download it. Why I'm saying this is if you go to CD, yeah, so this we already had it. Oh, we already deleted this folder, so this would be new. Okay, it's going on. It's going to take some time. Yeah, so ideally it should pick up the environment from here and here as well. This is still under installation, so okay, so let me copy this and paste it right here. This was the environment that we installed earlier, and this is where we are installing right now, the HLS4ML. Yep, we are already done installing. Already exist, right? So if you run this, yep, here we go. Cool. If you want to remove the package, is it like Conda remove HLS4ML tutorial? Or I can delete directly. Let's say instead of removing, let's just rename it, right? Okay, now we should get a CPY. Yep. So as I said earlier in previous video, you can transfer the environment directly as a folder. Now let's come back to and do the same process again. All right, so we are done. Let's clear this. You should have, yep. It's the same. Okay. So let me put this here. Once the installation is done, then on the environment list to check the list. Alright, then finally we activate the environment. Okay, maybe I need to close the terminal. Wait. Yep. Let me mark that down. Close terminal. Reopen new terminal. Paste this. Then let's see the version. This will be 3.10. Cool. Should have TensorFlow. Yep. Okay, cool. Let me copy this. Is it here? Yep, let's open the notebook. Let's copy this link. Copy this link. Paste it. Copy this link and paste on the browser. Cool. I'm gonna go here, open tab, paste it here. Yep, let's go to part 1. And this should fail because we haven't sourced any any environment files, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and let's close this. Yes. Okay, cool. I'm going to do is I'm going to go to cd. I did cap on the Conda. Right. Yeah. This is the file. So I'm using 2024. So apart from, let me maximize it. Apart from Vivado and Vivado HLS, we need Vitis. So you see this is Vitis HLS, Vivado, and we need Vitis as well. If you use only these two environments, Vivado and Vitis, this error will still pop up. Make sure you have all 3 of them sourced. Yeah, so let's go to location and I'm going to source the setting. Now okay, let me just copy this and paste it here. Okay, source this file. Okay, then launch the book again. Copy think. Now this should work. Yep, we don't see any error assets. Shift enter. Shift enter. This might take some time. Let's continue. Standard. If we save. Let's wait for a while to execute. Yep. Here we go. Let's run this block. Number 7. Block 8. And this is the training block. Train. Cool. Done training. Performance check. Cool. Convert the model to FPGA firmware with HLS4ML. So this is where we're going to write this model 1 folder for this particular part number, FPGA part. Cool. Now we should have that folder created. What is that model? Yep, here it is. Then this is for the visualization of the model. Compare and predict. So writing HLS project done. Let's check. Yeah, here it is. The test bench data is still empty. The firmware, all the .h file, and the weights are here. Cool. Compare the accuracy. Then synthesize. This might take some time. We don't have the Verilog yet, so it's going to generate that. Yeah, implementation is not yet here. I'm expecting implementation folder and its corresponding and the Verilog inside the implementation folder after we are done synthesis. Starting to implement. Lab memory. तो जब मैंने video बना लो, record कर Record that. Alright, so we are done here. We have the resources available, resources utilized, um, and we can write the report over here, and we can check. We should have the implementation folder here, Verilog. Yep, like we saw earlier, the softmax, then the Relu, which is the ROM block. Yep, so ROM over here, this will be implemented into VRAM, as I said earlier. Yep, so we're good. I think that's all regarding HLS4ML and Conda installation. Make sure you install the latest one, and I'm gonna put up this file right here, starting from not this one, not this one. Yep, here it is. Not this one. Where is the? Ah, here. This is the one. No. Ah, here it is. Yep. So I'm gonna put all the commands and links on the description of the video. Let's try some other examples. For example, the Bitstream. Okay. Yep, so we're gonna have all these things. This is the resources, FPGA floor plan. This which hardware it is, let's check quickly. This would be LBO U55C. Yep, U55C. And then yep, so this is the floor plan of U55C. Likewise, it seems from directly from HLS4ML, we can see all the stuff, which is cool. You can directly deploy from here, which is again cool. Yep, so we have installed the stuff successfully, and deployment and specific tutorial regarding HLS4ML or by this HLS we're going to continue in the later video. So for this video we have successfully installed Conda and HLS4ML setup, and we were able to run the first example, part 1, getting started. Yep, that's all for today. Ciao guys.